EPS technology was invented in Nigeria by Benemes Nig Limited to reduce carbon emission into the atmosphere. The air pollution streamers (APS) is an effective air pollution control technology invented by Benemes Nig Limited to remove air pollutants arising from industrial chimneys, industrial plants, asphalt plants, vehicles, oil and gas flare points, PMS generators, DPK heavy-duty generators in various establishments in the city. The APS concept was conceived out of urgency to curb air pollution in the city. This was in line with the United Nations directive for all nations to start cutting down their carbon emission because of the climate change, among others hazardous effects. APS is patented in line with the laws establishing it in 2011 for controlling carbon emission in Nigeria. The APS are made in different designs and sizes to contain emissions in all forms of hydrocarbon vehicles, hydrocarbon small generators, large industrial generators, chimneys, asphalt plants, petrochemicals and refineries. The small size generators, which are commonly used in homes, have caused a lot of death in Nigeria as a result of carbon emission from it. The APS for small generators is installed by attaching it to the generators to interface. The carbon emission is trapped in the APS and undergoes reduction in the ionized bed. The carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are reduced to carbonins and oxygens after interacting with hydroxy ion on the ionized bed. Soot particles, sulfurs, are trapped by the APS. Clean air is released to the atmosphere. With this package, small generators can be kept and operated near living houses without causing any problem to the health. The APS, after being used for 43 days as the generator is put on, 80% of the soot is absorbed by the APS manifold. The carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide undergoes reduction at the ionized bed to form carbonates. These carbonates accumulate at the reservoir, which is tapped for recycling. When the carbon sensor is used to detect the presence of carbon dioxide on the APS, it is found that the sensor lighted split did not go off. This infers the release of clean air into the atmosphere. APS dynamo for hydrocarbon vehicles is more interesting.